Welcome to the world of data structures. Data structures are the important aspect of programming that many developers may find intimidating. This video is an introduction to understanding data structures and how to visualize them. Data structures are a way of organizing data in such a way that makes it easier for developers to create, access, and modify data within their code. They are used to structure information and store efficiently so that it can be retrieved quickly and accurately. There are many different types of data structures, each suited to a different purpose. Common types include trees, graphs, heaps, hash tables, and linked lists. To understand how they work and how to visualize them in code, it's important to understand their common properties and how they store and access data. Trees are the simplest data structures and can be thought of as an upside-down pyramid with multiple branches. A tree starts with a root node, which has several child nodes branching off. Each child node can have its own set of children, creating a branching effect. Trees can be used to store information in a hierarchical fashion, making it easier to traverse and organize data. Graphs are similar to trees in which that they are composed of nodes and edges, but they have added the ability to store weights for edges that represent a relationship between two nodes. They are often used for store relationships between entities or objects. Graphs can also be used to represent paths between 2 points in a network. Heaps are used for representing data in a way that allows quick retrieval or modification of the data. They are used structure called binary tree, and each node can have 2 or more children that stored in sequential order. Heaps are often used for storing and retrieving data quickly. Hash tables are used to store items where they can be easily accessed and modified. They use a key value structure to quickly find items without having to traverse the entire structure. Linked lists are used to store and traverse items in a sequential order. Each time the list is linked to another item in the list, creating a chain of items. They are often used to storing collections of algorithms and other data structures. Data structures are an integral part of programming, and understanding how they work can have a big impact on performance of an application or website. Visualizing data structures is the key to understanding how they work and how to incorporate them into code when developing applications or websites. Thanks for watching this introduction to data structure visualization. We hope that you have gained insight to the foundations of understanding data structures and how to apply them in your own programming project. Thank you.